Hi you guys, it's Yvon. I'm at the ARC thrift store for their half price sale. So I'm not too busy right now, so that's good. As soon as I walked in the doors, of course I started at these Halloween racks because I always find good vintage stuff on the Halloween racks. So when I'm all done, I'll probably, cruise through that one too. I'll show you what I picked out so far from the Halloween rack. Oh, and then as I was coming over here to start to say hi to you guys, I saw this. Isn't that awesome? And it won't be half price, but that's still a good enough price. Hang on. I'm gonna get out of here because there's gonna be a fight. Okay, hey, I'm back. The aisle got pretty crazy and I wanted to look at dolls. So again, for the 100th time, but some of you are new, right down in there is where a couple years ago I found a Japanese doll that I sold for like $175. But today, some of the dolls looked really interesting and I just was in the mood to go through them. So this one, because of her getup and her eyes, that's usually what I look for. But she's only worth about $20. So we're gonna carefully put her back in there. But look, okay, this doll here, let me show you what that says. There, Makalaka. Okay, just trying, you guys. It's a Hawaiian doll, folk art. She's worth a little bit of money. This one is definitely, I can't say the name either on that, but I just peeled off the label and looked it back. And so this one's worth about $50. And this is, let me find the tag for you guys. There it is. There. Even though that's new, they sell for around $50 and up, and so it just depends on which one this is. So I'm getting those. And how do you not get a nun doll? I mean, how do you not? And this is super funny. I was looking at stuff the other day on eBay and I ran across this label right there. And I thought, oh, I'd like to find one of those. They sell for pretty good money. And boom, there's one right there. So we're getting that. I added a glass pair. That should be 15 to 20. This awesome, like pot metal, I don't know, candlestick. We're getting that. I'm doing it this way today because I'm already backed up on a haul video, so we're just going to do it as I shop, okay? Now this is just, it's not half price, but that's not too bad. I've never seen one with the yellow flash, and it's in such great condition. See how big it is? Such great condition, and it's just really looks like it's got some lead crystal content too, so I kind of want to check that out. I'll probably get it no matter what. I just like it. So that's what's happening so far. This is really cute. So that'd be half price. It's just pretty. I don't know whose it is yet, but I just like it. If I can't sell it, I'll keep it. And there's something about these too. So I think I'm going to get this. Beaver. Wait a minute. That's a turtle. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. But if that's a tortoise, okay, I don't know. Let's check that out. Something weird's going on. But I think there's a little bit of resale on that. So I'm going to find out. I may put this back. All right, you guys. So I'm pretty happy so far. I only have about another hour. I've got to take Highway to the vet. It's time for his shots and get his nails clipped. I'll be back when I find something cool, okay? But so far, yeah. Good job on the dolls, actually. Oh, hey. Hang on, I got 3 of these. Looks like I'm trying to steal them. Hang on. Let me get these out of here. Okay, there's another one somewhere. I'll get it out. I'm not going to steal them. Believe it or not, these little miniature things, these are worth some money. There's 3 of them. Headed down toward my vases. I did kind of look through the baskets a little bit. And, but this one, let me back up because it's big. It's really big. Look, it's a bunny. $3.99. Let me move this one. That's cool, isn't it? Look how big it is. Seriously. If I was already in my booth, I'd probably get that and put in there. Okay, wish me luck. Here comes my favorite aisle. Vases. Ooh, a hot pink one. Teleflora, but that's cool, hot pink. Alright, let's see. Party light. That's interesting. It looks like recycled glass too. I might think about that. I'm pretty sure that's recycled glass, and then I like that. Good. Let's see what this is. $6.99, not on sale. I think I'll pass actually. Okay, what do we have? So we got this one, maybe. I don't really want to pay that much either for an unmarked. I mean, it's cool. This aesthetic would please somebody that's into, like, you know, the recycling, because this is recycled glass, and then, you know, that boho natural look. So urban organics. There's just a lot of terms for the decorating trends that are going on right now. I guess I'll let someone else find that. All right, you guys, let's move on. Hey, y'all, came back for a minute. I grabbed this after all. I'm not sure why I grabbed it, because it totally did not attract me. It looks brand new and kind of whatever, but it'll be half price, and this is why. That actually has a little bit of resale value. Some of their stuff even more, and I think they did a collab for Starbucks too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this for a collector. It'll only be $1. Not sure how much it'll bring, but I'm gonna guess around 20. So that's meets my threshold. Just doing kitchen knickknacks and things. Didn't really see anything so far, but since nobody's in here, I'll let you guys look too, and I'll go over it again, and I'll show you what I pulled out. It's made in China. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, things without lids. Things made to look vintagey, but where is it? Oh, this has a little bit of resale value, not a whole lot. And this is an somebody said I'm saying this wrong, Odigiri. I think I'm supposed to say Odigiri, or is it a soft G? A little, it says it. This, if it had some of the little, you know, cups to go with it, I don't know, you could get about 20 for that, but I think I'll pass. But what I did pull out, double check everything. Okay, what I did pull out, I'm gonna get these vintage 1976 Sears mushroom salt and pepper shakers. Now, I don't know if that was after the fact that somebody labeled them with a paper label, salt and pepper, but the tape is taking that off, so I will probably just soak that off. I'm not sure yet, and I'll have to be real careful taking off the tape that it doesn't take off any of the paint, but we're gonna get those. That's a good enough, that's a cute deal. Someone's gonna want those to match their canisters. All right, let's move on. Hi, you guys. She's putting up a whole new bin full of purses. So I'm gonna wait for her to finish. And anyways, I always look at this. In this particular store, they have this older suit aisle. This is where they're gonna put the St. John. Sure too. That's vintage Eileen Fisher, but $8.99. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, but I think I see some St. John already. That right there. That looks like Santana knit. But one here, I don't have to grab it so quick. And then we'll do purses. Oh my gosh, there's 2 St. John's. Yes. This is vintage, but I'm going to get them anyways. I'll show you. That's a vintage St. John label, but we are going to get them anyways. They will still sell. Just checking to see what the buttons were like. Sometimes there's logo buttons. There, that's a better. Yes. So I'll check it out and make sure it's not too damaged. Yes. Oh, I grabbed those for me just to wear around the house in this winter. And I grabbed a fish. Oh gosh, sorry you guys, I forgot. This homemade metal art. This isn't like a metal art from Ross or anything. This is one that's homemade. Look at it. Somebody genuinely made this. And then this big metal fish plate I'm gonna get. Not sure if that'll be for sale or, you know, whatever. I'm still loving this. Wow, great trip for just a couple hours, right? Okay, so let's see if anything pops out. Rolled paper. That's cute. This is kind of trendy look. Not real. Leather, but not that that matters, because some people who are strict vegans, not only will they, that's an eagle right there, not only will they not eat animal stuff, they won't do leather either. That looks like real leather, and it's got this crazy pattern, so let's just check and see who made it. I can't pronounce the name. It's Italian. That probably has a little resale value, but I don't like the length of it, and I don't think someone else is going to either. So it's not a big enough name. I think it'll come back as a return if someone did even take a chance to buy it, because it's just way too long lengthwise. Somebody made that, and so it's real thick, and this better pass. Hey, things look cute from far away, but they are not very quality up close, you guys. Wait, what is happening? Wait a minute. Halloween stuff. They've put some shoes over here. We've got some zoot suit shoes. I was gonna say pimp shoes, but I don't know if that's oh my gosh. Real leather soles. Oh, these are super fun. Someone's gonna have a good time picking up some of these. Yeah, they're gonna. What brand was that? Harlem Nights. They're gonna have fun. I'm not gonna get any for resale, but someone's gonna have a good time. Someone will probably come in and buy every one of those. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I gotta go. It's time for me to go. So, oh, I grabbed a pair of Union Bay cargo pants. I love those. I checked out the Eileen Fisher. These are all vintage, but everything's still good. This is a 2-piece set. The St. John, all of it's good. Their famous Santana net seems to hold up well anyways. So, it's all good. I'm getting everything. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.